Thoubal District ki Heirok Part 2 Khunou Da Leiba Dorendro Memorial High School Ngasidagi Science amasung Arts stream da class 11 HAPKATTUNA Higher Secondary ki THAKTA upgrade tawbagi thoram ngasi school asigi campus ta PANGTHOKHRE school upgrade tawbagi thoram maduda Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur ki chairman Takhelamam Ojit Singh na athoi bamithunglen Dorendro Memorial Higher Secondary School ki founder Kundongbam Ingocha Singh na thoram mapu aduga Manipur State Commission for Women ki former chairperson Professor Dr. Maidam Binota Devi DM College of Commerce की Department of Management and Business Study की Head of Department Associate Professor Dr. Chitung Mary Thomas Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur की Deputy Secretary Naurem Saheb Singh Controller of Examination Oinam Joy Singh Zone 3 Thoubal की Deputy Inspector of School Thoudam Brozen Singh amasung Dorendro Memorial Higher Secondary School की Principal Naurem Radamani Devi na akhanaba Mithunglen Singh oina saruk yakhi Satliba tha asi ke tarik tara mathoidagi session haugadaba school upgrade ki thoram adugi saruk ama oina school adugi Oza Singh Management Committee ki Thopuba Singh amadi school building sabada achoba thodang laukiba Boro Mystery Singh da school gi maikai digi achamba khudol Singh tamduna ikai khumnaba pukning thogatpa utki loinana school adugi mahairoi Singh na tonganba cultural gi thoram Singh su miyam da utki ngasi gi thoram aduda athoiba mithunglen oina saruk yakiba Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur gi chairman Takhelambam Ojit Singh na High Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur asi India gi lairiba board amadi council Singh gi thakta yongnanaba council asina India gi lairiba board council Singh manung da ahan bo oina parak performance assessment review and analysis of knowledge for holistic development cell NCERT ki makha da leiba asi haudoktuna continuously question semba item wise question semba question bank semba na tingba mayam ama tongna bohonari ngasidi India gi atai state sing da su parak ki cell hangdok na khre masi council asi ki oina achoba mai pak pa mani hai ki mahak na makha taraduna hai council da thopudi Pudringai Higher Education da Joint Director oina leiringai matamda lamdam masiki luchingba oiriba matam amagi Manipur lenga ke Education Minister oiramba hauziki Heirok ki MLA oiriba Dr. Thokchom Radeshyam nasu lamdam masida Education Hub ama ohenaba gi pandamda Sekmai Khumni Higher Secondary School KGBB Ukhongsang Engineering College Diet College ta chingba matang semgatuna Heirok asibu education gi lamda khumang choksinaba kana hotnabiri haina fongdoki ngasi gi thoramadu school adugi Oza Singh Mahairoi mama mapa Singh su saruk yakhi
India gi leriba board and council mayam sigi thakta yobung amnanaba kanna honajari masigi mayek laraba kudumdi parak se laina parakaisi performance assessment review for holistic development haina NCERT ki makhada parak sel na malai haiba parak sel sigi mathausi continuously question semba item wise question semba aduga question bank semba haibana chingbase India government na NCERT ki makhada hudupani parak sel si hudupasi India ke manungda Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur na ahan bani masi ahang na mayang lupagda masi thunjari sini aduna council na hudukiba matungda India ki tongan ba leriba state sida su parak sel se matang hudukna re aduna koisu chaputum thui council su level itna hojik India ki leriba class 11 and 12 ki standard se maintain tongna na bohona chari aduga Matangda aina hijing ba amasu lejai Khumbi Sangmai Khumbi Higher Secondary School Kasturba Gandhi Balika haibana chingbasi matang lakre hariba educational hub oina sembakki haibagi wakhalonda leiraba adugumba luchingba kaya singsina Heirok sibu education gi lamda awangba thakda hanna pukatpiri haibase kaupom thokte Manipur gi mafam atai dasu Engineering College Ministry of Education की मखादा हरिबा खुदों चाबजी फंगबा याउदी Heirok खक्तनी हाइबसे ओजा बसंतदा अहमदai